Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 5. In this video, we will present about lines and angles material. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Nurka Stari and my student number is 066.
And I am Aishalina Kurniawati. My student number is 042.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Yeah. Is anyone absent today?
No, miss.
Okay, before we start the lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Today we will learn about lines and angles material. Before that, I will tell you about lesson accounts today. Number 1, student can understand the concept of lines and angles material. Number 2, student can understand the types of lines and angles. Number 3, student can understand the relationship between lines and angles.
Student, do you know about lines and angles?
No.
Okay, let's start our lesson. First is line. A line is a one-dimensional feature that extends in one direction infinitely without any beat. It is made up of infinite number of points close to each other. The next material is types of lines. Number 1 is horizontal line. The horizontal line is like this. And the number 2 is vertical line or like this. And the number 3 is parallel lines. For example, a parallel line is like this or like this. And the number 4 is perpendicular lines. For example, is like this. And the last is transversal line. For example, for transversal line is like this.
Next, angles. An angle is formed when two rays have a common endpoint. The rays are the line segments that make up the angle, and the endpoint is where the rays meet. The angle is measured in degrees, with a full circle being 360 degrees. Next, the types of angles. Number 1 is acute angle, when the angles of x less than 90 degrees. For the example, like this. Number 2, right angle, when the angles of x equals 90 degrees. For the example, like this. And number 3, obtuse angle, when the angle of x more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. For the example, like this. And number 4, straight angle, where the angles of x equals 180 degrees. For the example, like this. And number 5, reflex angles, when the angles of x more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. For the example, like this. And the last one, complete angle, when the angle of x equals 360 degrees. For the example, like this. Next, angle relationship with parallel lines. Number 1, perpendicular angle. For the example, like this. There are angle of AB plus angle D of DBC equals 90 degrees. And number 2, supplementary angle. For the example, for the picture above, we know that angles of PQS plus angle of SQT plus angle of PQR equals 180 degrees.
The next is relation between the angles when length M is parallel to length M. First is if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. It is angles 1 is equal to angles 5 and then angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and then angle 4 is equal to angle 8, and then the last angle 3 is equal to angle 7. And number 2, if a trapezoid intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternative interior angles is angle 4 is equal to angle 6, and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. The last, if a trapezoid intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles of the same side of the trapezoid is supplementary. It is angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree, and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, for the example of number 1 is from the picture above, but it's the value of x. So we can know the value of x is the number 1 is same example of supplementary angles of x plus 50 degree plus 75 degree is 108, and 25 degree equal 180 degree. So x is 125 degree is moved to the right side. 180 degree minus by 125 degree. So the x is 55 degree. So the value of x is 55 degree. 55. 125. So do you understand, student?
Yes. Number 2, if an angle of B equals 128 degrees, then the angles of each other angle is angle of B plus angle of A equals 180 degrees. Angle of B. Okay, so the answer is angle of A equals angle of D equals angle of E equals angle of H equals 22 degrees, and angle of B equals angle of C equals angle of F equals angle of G equals 128 degrees. Do you understand, student?
Yeah. Okay, student, we have two questions about length and angles. So you can come forward to answer the question. I miss. Okay.
I miss.
Okay. Okay, the answer from Elsafi and Aulia is correct. Okay, let's give applause for Elsa and Aulia.
Okay, students, do you understand for the material today?
Yes.
So the conclusion for the lesson today are: number 1, there are generally 5 types of lines, such as horizontal line,
Vertical line, parallel line, perpendicular line, and transversal line.
yes, that's good. And number 2, there are 6 types of angles, namely
Acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles, and combat angles.
yes, that's right. And the last one, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal.
Okay, student, today learning is finished.
Thank you for your attention and participation.
See you and have a great day.